Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if your daily schedule is completely bursting at the seams, but you still want or, let's be real, need to generate a meaningful income, you are in exactly the right place. Today we're diving into flexible, remote career paths specifically designed for students, recent grads, and homemakers. We're going to break down exactly how you can balance those incredibly demanding life schedules with actual remote earning opportunities.
So here's the million-dollar question. How do you earn without sacrificing your schedule? I mean, it's kind of the ultimate modern puzzle, right? Whether you're a student buried under a mountain of assignments, a fresh graduate trying to find your professional footing, or a homemaker managing, well, a million moving pieces of domestic life, your time is already spoken for. Carving out hours to earn money without dropping the ball on all your other crucial responsibilities is a universal challenge. And that's exactly what this explainer is all about, validating that specific time struggle and mapping out a real, workable solution.
We're all super familiar with traditional 9-to-5 rigidity. You know the drill. It demands your physical presence, dictates your absolute hours, and frankly, it doesn't care if you have a massive university exam tomorrow or if the kids need to be picked up at 3 in the afternoon. It's just rigid. But the alternative is flexible part-time remote work. This literally shifts the power dynamic right back to you. It allows you to fit work smoothly into your life rather than forcing your entire life to bend around your work. Okay, let's dive right into the core of this framework. Section 1, unpacking the 5 jobs.
Yes, exactly 5. We're not talking about some vague, endless list of side hustles that's just going to overwhelm you. No way. We're zeroing in on exactly 5 part-time work-from-home paths, tailored for these life stages. Think along the lines of virtual assistants organizing digital workspaces, online tutors helping students out after hours, freelance content writers, remote customer support agents, and data entry specialists. Focusing on a targeted, realistic set of jobs like this makes the prospect of finding remote work feel, actually achievable. There are defined specific paths out there waiting for your demographic.
Now, before we break down exactly who these roles are for, let's define what they actually are. Part-time work from home means remote roles requiring less than full-time hours, giving you ultimate control over your schedule. This is the foundational concept that unites all 5 of these job types. Honestly, it's the exact antidote to the time crunch problem we were just talking about. It basically means you're stepping up to commit to work, sure, but strictly on terms that respect the heavy load you're already carrying in your personal or academic life.
And hey, notice the word career here. That is absolutely crucial. These aren't just fleeting, temporary gigs or quick tasks to make a fast buck. Actually, by specifically calling them career paths, we're elevating these roles. Choosing a flexible, part-time remote job, like virtual assistants or freelance writing, can be a legitimate strategic step in your professional journey. It offers real skill building and growth, right alongside that sustained income.
All right, let's see how this builds for our specific groups. Starting with students. The student path is all about balancing coursework, lectures, and exams with part-time remote earning. If you're a student, you already know your schedule is inherently chaotic. Think about trying to fit a traditional retail shift around a Tuesday afternoon chemistry lab. It's incredibly stressful. But roles like online tutoring or freelance writing, they're designed to be woven right around that academic chaos. You could tutor for 2 hours on a Saturday morning, allowing you to earn a vital income and your grades never even take a hit.
Next up, we have freshers. The fresher path focuses on entry-level work-from-home opportunities for recent graduates looking to enter the workforce. Now, what's really interesting about this is the immense societal pressure to lock into a rigid 40-hour-a-week office job the second you graduate. But entry-level remote roles like remote customer support or junior virtual assisting are incredibly valuable here. They let you steadily build your resume, gain crucial real-world experience, and start earning, all while keeping the flexibility you need to attend interviews and figure out your exact long-term trajectory.
And then, of course, we have homemakers. The homemaker path involves generating income while actively managing and balancing daily household responsibilities. We all know that domestic workload is a demanding full-time job in itself, right? Often with 0 set hours and absolutely no days off. Imagine a parent juggling school drop-offs, meal prep, and doctor's appointments. The true empowerment found in roles like data entry or virtual assisting is that they can be seamlessly integrated into those vital daily routines. You can literally work during toddler nap times or after the kids go to sleep. It offers real financial independence right from your living room.
So now that we understand the roles and the groups, let's move to Section 2, matching jobs to lifestyles, and find your fit. And this brilliantly illustrates the synergy here when we connect our demographics to the core attributes of these jobs: part-time, work from home, and flexible.
A student critically needs the part-time aspect to guarantee they have dedicated study hours before midterms. A homemaker heavily requires the work-from-home aspect to remain physically present and accessible for their family. And a fresher relies on the flexible aspect to manage their hours while actively attending job interviews for their long-term career goals. It's like a giant puzzle where the pieces actually fit perfectly. The attributes of these roles answer the unique constraints of each lifestyle.
All right, it's time for some real-world application. Section 3. Your next remote step.
Here is your structured breakdown of immediate next steps. Step 1. Identify your lifestyle constraints. Honestly, you gotta be brutally honest with yourself about how much time you actually have. Are you strictly working around toddler naps, or do you just have open blocks between university lectures? Step 2. Target part-time work-from-home roles specifically. Don't waste your precious time filtering through rigid on-site jobs. Search exclusively for those 5 flexible paths we discussed. And Step 3. Prioritize flexible career paths that offer genuine growth rather than settling for a temporary gig. Build your skills while you earn.
Which brings us to the ultimate question. Which of these 5 paths will you claim today? These part-time work-from-home jobs absolutely exist for students, freshers, and homemakers. The flexibility is real, and the remote career path is waiting. The only thing left is for you to decide exactly how you're going to take back control of your schedule and start earning on your own terms. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And seriously, I highly encourage you to take that first remote step today.